Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm Jessica if you're new here. My channel is all about fashion and luxury handbags. I would say definitely handbag videos. So today I wanted to give you a video of my favorite 5 luxury items that I've purchased on Poshmark so far. I did need to narrow it down just because I do purchase on Poshmark a lot, but to give you an idea of some things that you can find or can search for, I wanted to just share a couple handbags. I have a shoe purchase and I have an accessory as well. So again, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you are aware of when I post new videos. So let's get started. So if you guys are new to Poshmark, Poshmark is a marketplace where people buy and sell, fashionable goods. I would say I love Poshmark for more of the luxury items, only because I'm searching for certain things, or I find something really such a great deal, or I just find something that's very, very rare or very just cool and colorful. I just love very colorful bags, if you can't tell. But so let's get started on the first one. It is a bag by Fendi. It is a tote bag. As you can tell, I really love smaller kind of tote bags, especially bags that you can hold in your hand. I've used this bag with a longer strap. I've just attached it to these pieces here and I've worn it over my shoulder or a crossbody. But I really just love holding it, or just holding it on my, I guess my wrist or the crook of my arm. It is a full denim bag. The hardware just says FF here. And I love the fact that it's extremely simple. It's just a plain dark denim, and it's just got the silver hardware and brown leather straps. The bottom of the bag has 4 feet, so it doesn't sit on hard surfaces or get dirty. And also it just has a large opening. I have a bag shaper in here, but it also has a small zip compartment here with the logo on the back. Now, what's so interesting is I probably bought this bag maybe 3 years ago from Poshmark, and before that, again, this is I would say a very, vintage style. They recently just came back out, reintroduced for, I believe it was 2019, they came back out with this style. So I love the fact that they're reintroducing older styles, but this one is such a good one. I feel like it's a classic, and I'm so excited that I have this one in my collection. And yeah, love this one. All right, so the next one is also Fendi. It is a mini Mama Baguette. It is silver, and I really was looking for a silver bag. Again, I like bags in all different colors and all different styles. If you look closely, you can see the thread. It's a metallic thread, so it makes it shimmery and very gold and metallic like. This handles as well, it's very metallic. I just love this one. Again, this one also a very vintage piece. They've come back out with the baguette style, but before they started reintroducing, or before they reintroduced the new baguette, I was already on the hunt for, baguette styles, because I absolutely love them, and I kind of had a feeling they were coming back. So I got this one at a really great deal, and I'm so excited I have it. I also add chains to it. You can add so many other things. You can wear a crossbody. You can put on the crook of your arm. You can wear it close to here. But I kind of just love either holding it this way or wearing with the long strap to wear a crossbody. So this is another really great purchase, and I'm so excited to see if I can find any more styles like this. Right now it's pretty hard, only because with the new reissue of the baguette style, people are loving this style. So people are buying them up, and I absolutely love it. All right, so the next one is the classic Balenciaga. Now this one is a Balenciaga first bag, so it's a different style than the City, but I absolutely love this. I'm going to show you a picture of what the bag looked like when I originally bought it. It was off-white and was very light color, and I just didn't think it worked with my wardrobe, so I decided to dye it black. So now I have a whole video that explains how I dyed it, what video taught me how to dye it, and just questions and answers that you guys asked and I was answering in a video. I'll leave that video below, because I think it's such a great idea. If you have a bag that you're not using, I think dyeing it gives it a whole new purpose of life. And I absolutely love it in black. I'm so excited that I did that. And the The leather has not changed. If not, the Balenciaga, leather is so soft. So here's just a little close-up peek of it. It has a top handle, but it also has this, shoulder strap. You can wear it like that. You can also, add a crossbody strap if you want to. Just add it to these two handles, which I've done before too. So yeah, so this is another amazing deal that I got on Poshmark, and I love it so much. Next up is a pair of shoes. Now these are a vintage style, Gucci style shoe. It's a mule, which has definitely come back. I love mules. I love this style, and I got such a great deal on these, to be honest. Like, I was so excited to have these in my collection. This even horse bitten collection they've reissued it in Gucci. So I just love the fact that old vintage bags and old vintage styles and shoes are making its way back into fashion, and I couldn't be more excited. So these are another amazing purchase that I got from Poshmark, and I love them so, so much. All right, and the last one is going to be an accessory. I've been on the hunt for the Louis Vuitton multicolored collection for a really long time, and I came up and found this one. It is a key holder. It is the 4-ring. This one just happens to be made in France, but I absolutely love it. It is black with all the different colors and styles. It is so tiny, and I love the fact that when I throw it into my bag, it protects my keys from rubbing or from scratching the inner part of my bag. And I just really, really wanted a piece of this collection. This collection probably came out in early 2000s, and I definitely did not get my hands on any pieces. So I'm excited that I was able to get my hand on a piece from Poshmark. Great deal too. So I'm going to add a corresponding blog post here so that you could read it. This is going to share and give you a lot more tips on how to purchase and how to buy from Poshmark, how to make a little bit extra income, just tips on how I've used it in my life and how I, like to navigate the site. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.